Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 7-4 Midwest Bass, and we are back. First thing we wanted to say is Merry Christmas to everybody, man. Yes, indeed. So as promised, the 1050 giveaway is active. So like I said, this is a thank you giveaway, so we're not gonna make it real hard. We're gonna make it real simple. First, you must be subscribed. We need you to like, share, and comment. And in the comments, we want you to leave a number between 1 and 1,050. Since it's the 1050 giveaway, just like that. Simple. So, thinking we'll leave this up for maybe a week, and around New Year's we'll reveal who won. So like I said, it'll be real simple. Just leave a comment saying, hey, I want the subwoofer, and pick a number between 1 and 1,050. We'll do a random generator, and whatever number comes up, that'll be the winner. Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 7-4 Midwest Bass. And again, Merry Christmas. We out of there, man. Hold up.